Honestly, coming from someone who left high school to join ACS, construction, we all know, is the backbone of this nation. So no slack there. I think it's hard for young individuals to not get blinded by a white collar profession we all at a young age grow up dreaming to do. Doctors, lawyers, astronauts. Who didn't want to be an astronaut? I would encourage young individuals to join job fairs, go see what's out there in the market, and get a skilled labor position in this construction industry that you can love day in and day out.
The one thing I'm proud of here at ACS is that we work together as a team. We can't attribute the success of our company to one single person. Everybody works together to get the job done.
Matt Reuter here with ACS. What makes our relationship with GluDown special comes down to three things. One, longevity. We've been a stocking distributor of all GluDown products here in the Southeast since 2016. Two, innovation. GluDown is developing new products for these applications for this market, and our customers want them. Three, the level of support we get from Cliff, Chad, and Scotty Too Hottie, as we like to call him around the office, with both on-site training and support, training of our staff here in the office, and support of our events.
To me, working at ACS embodies the true meaning of the terms customer service and teamwork. Throughout 2021 and 2022, we provided hundreds of tilt-up projects across 18 states. That meant that our management had to be on point from not only a sales perspective, but also an equipment and logistics perspective. We did not let a single client down during those projects on a single pipe brace or piece of equipment. And that is a level of service that we provide our clients day in and day out.